Reason number one. You might do it when it's about to rain and you're in the hilly boondocks in a sedan. It'll teach you how to toughen yourself up and then teach you how to hurry. This is reasons you should cut your own hair. All right, I'll tie that into it. But on a serious note, let's just jump right into it.
It cuts costs. Okay. It teaches you the important lessons about mistakes is a really important point I want to make. So, cutting your hair yourself on a consistent basis is a really sort of, for most people, low-risk way to teach yourself that your life is in your own hands. And in doing something, almost anything, mistakes can be made that adversely affect you for a good amount of time, a significant amount of time, like messing up a cut on your hair. Then your hair is going to look like crap for a little while, so you're more inclined not to make mistakes. But the only way that you can develop from those mistakes is to either make them or develop the skills sufficient enough to avoid them. It also reinforces your ability to teach yourself new things and your ability to get better at them. It increases your level of independence, which is always a good thing, for the most part. Again, there's some things that you need to leave into the hands, should leave into the hands of professionals, but the more independence that you can attain, the better. That's how we develop a strong and prosperous society, actually, if you want to get into it Joker style. And it also directly teaches you that the actions that affect you externally affect you internally, and if actions you take internally affect you externally. For example, like in the Karate Kid, everything you do is karate, right? Let me give you another one. In this game of life, everything is gaming. If that makes sense, well, of course it does, but just in case it doesn't, and in case we're experiencing an anomaly there, to those of you who don't quite get the gaming comparisons, what I'm trying to say is that fundamental development is found in abundance in everyday actions. Let me tie it right back to the hair thing. Mastery can be learned, or like the process of mastery, not necessarily mastery in every field, but what it takes to become good at something can be found in something as simple as cutting your own hair. It teaches you the importance of repetition, attention to detail, listening to people who know what they're doing, etc. Overall, it really just reinforces your independence ratio, and the strongest, happiest people can stand on their own. Even practicing the little things that reinforce this can prove monumental. Also, in case you didn't realize, this is post-haircut. This is what it looks like. A few days later, albeit it took a while for me to get a chance to sit down and film this, but yeah, I got a few mess ups, but I'm wearing it as it is to teach myself those lessons that will ultimately prove vital in a way that's fairly low risk. Say epic style. Hope we can talk sometime soon, okay?
It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.
He way been thinking me out. Sometimes all I pee about is poo.